fan right now. And we are going in town. I'm going to see my mommy. She's here. She came yesterday. So I'm going to see her. And then I guess my aunt wants to do something with me all of a sudden. So I guess we'll see what she wants to do. And then that will determine if I want to go out with her or not. And yeah, we're going to go to my uncle's. So my mom can see her sisters that are here. And yeah, because all of them are here now actually. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then I believe that's the only thing that we had planned so far. So yeah, Daddy's getting gas right now. And then so yeah, we're gonna go in town now. And yeah, that's the motive for as of right now. I guess once we reach in town, no more. I let my hair out finally. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And Shamica
never even had a chance.
ready for that. Shit, so yeah, that's just what we're doing, you know? And yeah. So see you in a little bit. Here with my ugly, miserable sister. And I'm here. Because I am so hot and I'm so tired and I'm so full. Like I feel so lazy. Like this is definitely taking over my body right now. I'm at my aunt's house and I'm almost ready to go home. I want to sleep. I'm so tired. But I saw my mom. They went to go look at caskets. I'm not about that life. So they went on that excursion themselves. And yeah. So I'm on my hair. It's so humid out here. My hair is just not staying straight like I wanted to, but natural hair problems. So tired, guys. Can you help me? I need a bed and a fan and like a fountain with like water or something. Or like grapefruit Schweppes like with ice at all times. You know what I mean? That's what I need. No, I hate ants. They take up everything. I left my food for 2 seconds. And look at them. They're everywhere. So annoying. Hi, ugly. I can't eat it again. You can look at me. This guy's so ugly, man. Just look at him. So ugly. He's not a brown though. Amen. We don't look like that. Definitely don't look like that. But yeah, I guess when I, move out, I mean not move out, but push out, then I'll tell you more. Okay? Because that's all I know for right now. So until then.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.